This week's Safety Toolbox Talk is on a scope of work that we're performing on this building, but relative to a phrase called, what is the line of fire exposure? What we have here is a 140-foot mast climber that climbs all the way up the skyscraper on this elevation, and then also here on this elevation we have another 100-foot mast climber riding up 650 feet on this elevation. So as we're working up on these buildings, take a look at what's down below. We've got a protective canopy here and we've got a protective canopy here, but take a look at what we have here. We have 6 lanes of highway. These pedestrians walking outside of the canopy could feasibly be unknowingly in the line of fire if by chance we have any incident where something out of the ordinary were to drop off of any of our boards. That is one scenario. Suspended work with vehicular traffic and pedestrians is the line of fire. But additionally to that, the line of fire can consist of walking under a suspended load by a crane, walking under a boom lift, or adjacent to an elevated scissors lift where something could feasibly fall on top of you. Throughout the years on the OSHA blogs, they're talking about the line of fire also consisting of high-vis vest around vehicular traffic, because vehicular traffic with people texting and doing what they're doing is striking construction workers. So that's another example of being in the line of fire, being caught between a stationary object and a moving object, and we're actually getting ourselves hurt. Additionally, excavations collapsing on top of a tradesman is a line of fire. We should have an engineering control in that hole. There are so many different scenarios. Moving a loaded drywall down a common corridor on a drywall cart, but the drywall's not secured, and you hit a tech screw, and you've got tradesmen walking across the front load, and the load falls over and crushes them vertically up against the wall. Is another example of in the line of fire. How can we eliminate that line of fire exposure? It comes with training. It comes with years in the industry and understanding your work environment and your logistics. We have to understand what we're doing and where we're doing it every day. Because wherever you're working, you may not get yourself hurt, but the tradesmen working around you may introduce something into that site logistics plan that day that can actually hurt you. So be aware of your surroundings, be your brother's keeper. Let's talk about line of exposure incidents and accidents that have happened on our jobs throughout the years this week, and let's have a safe week. Thank you.